So in the food case, we actually went from 60 days to 3 days of turnaround time for contract management. So that was an evident case. When it comes to the home furnishing business, a harmonized way of working in a global organization, this has helped us. And also looking at the advanced features that we have created together with Ivalua when it comes to direct material and cost breakdown structures, that is helping us to compare, to benchmark ourselves against the external market, but also make sure that we are harmonized in the organization in the global complexity that we have.
Since launching Ivalua, we've been able to reduce the number of discrepancies in invoices dramatically. So what we've noticed after the implementation of Ivalua is that average processing time of invoice has gone down from 22 days all the way down to 2 days, and we're still seeing reductions month on month, and actively monitoring this as one of the key deliverables with the Ivalua system.
So whenever we have Ivalua tool in place, we have better data visibility, better control, we can analyze our spend, we can make better decisions in terms of choosing suppliers. And of course, we see benefit in terms of savings themselves. So as processes are under control, we know when and what for we are spending money there.
That we were able to streamline our processes and to get some optimization here. And this comes with higher automation of around 5% and more self-service that our people are working in. It's one big benefit for us.
So something really new for us is to be able in like 2 clicks to find all the suppliers or all the sourcings related to one commodity. And coming from 2 divisions with 2 different taxonomies and 2 different supplier bases, it's something pretty new that will help us to tackle A and B class suppliers.